Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here. I'm very excited to share it with you. It's a vinyl record player from Digitnow. So let's open the box and see what's inside. This is how the vinyl record player looks like. It's very beautiful appearance. I love this vintage look. It's made out of wood, polished, smooth wood. It's very beautiful and nice design. It also comes with two stereo speakers, which will provide you with best sound experience. It's also designed with the protective cover. It will protect your vinyls from dust and debris. It also comes with the instructions. USB Type-A cable to USB Type-B and component cables. It's designed with high-quality stylus and adjustable counterweight that ensures smooth movement of the stylus. It's also designed with the volume control, mood selection. You can always choose the speed 33 or 45 RPM. With this all-in-one record player, you can convert your old vinyls into digital files on your Mac or PC, which is very convenient. You can always back up your vinyl records into your computer. It also features Bluetooth connection. It allows you to play music from external device like phone or computer. This all-in-one record player combines vintage design and modern technology. It's a great choice for anyone who loves music, and I'm sure it could be a very nice gift for your loved ones or for yourself. I love this product very much and I hope you like it too. I would highly recommend it to you.